Hey everyone, this is Todd Bacon from Off-Roading 101. Wanted to share a small project that I did over the weekend on the Toyota 4runner. I took it to an off-roading park where I ripped the rear valance off the bumper, and I think this was the third time, so I'd finally had enough and decided it was time to make an upgrade. So I ended up upgrading it with a steel bumper by Ronghui. Hadn't seen it before, and it was a fairly inexpensive upgrade. So I decided to go with one that came with a tire carrier and a fuel carrier on the back. In this video, I'm showing just replacing the stock bumper with the steel one without adding the extras on, as I didn't want to add those on at the moment. So what we're showing here is that I'm going in and taking a look at all of the bolts and getting it tightened down. And now here's the actual hard part, which was the cutting off of the plastic bumper. They didn't come with any instructions, so I had to figure it out, and I did my best guess with a lot of painter's tape and then cutting it out. And then what I would do after that is I'd take it over and I'd fit it to the 4runner and then put more tape on it and then start hitting it with the angle grinder to start trimming it down to fit. Took quite a few times, but it came out fairly well. I'm very impressed with how it looks and how it went back together. Anyway, it was a fun video to put together, and I thought I'd at least share it to you so you could see what I did. And here's the before and the after. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching Off-Roading 101, and I'll see you real soon.